What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you caught my last video, you already know. I listed 21 cards, I tried something a little different with the listings, and today I'm going to give you the full update on what sold, what it sold for, and then we're going to wrap up with that Roman Anthony sale that I know everybody has been waiting for, so let's get into it.
Big Cat Sports Cards, Rip Cards, Do Good.
So here's what I did different this time. I listed all 21 cards with free shipping. I wanted to see how it would affect just whether the buyers would respond better, if I had better conversions, and honestly it went pretty well. I sold 10 out of the 21 cards, which I'm not mad at, but there is a big but. I learned something in the process, as we all do. Which is why we go through processes, but do not offer free shipping on patch cards, and I'll explain why in a second, but just trust me on that one. I learned another lesson the hard way. Alright, first let's move through everything that sold. First up, the JJ Weatherholt Top 100. Sold that one for $1.75, but and you know what, hey, a sale is a sale. $1.75, I'll take it. Rome Odunze Silver sold, rated rookie, and that went for $3.50. Not a bad quick flip. That was a dollar card pickup. Emeka Egbuka Red and Black Shock. I really like this card. Sold it for $2, but you know, we're moving inventory. I think I bought it for a little bit more than that, maybe $3 or $4. So not mad at that. Colston Loveland. I like this card. I like Colston Loveland a lot. Sold it for $2, but you know what? Another one out the door. I picked it up for $1. So, you know, don't hate it. Daniil Hunter Red and Yellow. Sold this one for $4. I was hoping to get a little bit more out of this one, but I pulled this one in a box a while back. So, $4, I'll take it. The Jared McCain Blue Tectonic to 99 sold for $6.25, which... nice little sale there. I think I bought it for just a little bit more than that a few months back. But $6.25, not bad. My Thunder blew it to the Spurs in Game 7. So shout out to the Spurs. Nice series. But Thunder up forever. Kobe. Always good to sell a Kobe. I PC a lot of Kobe. Always try to get my hands on Kobe's, but this one I had some duplicates of, and I closed it out at $11.50. So that's always good to sell a Kobe. So not a bad sell there. And the top card I sold was the Nick Kurtz Topps Chrome Refractor. Sold that one for $13. I pulled that one out of a blaster box, and it was a nice hit, solid. I'll take $13 for that. So here's where the free shipping thing bit me. I sold the Marquise Colston, which I have right here all packed up, ready to go. I'm eating the shipping on that one, and that one stung a little bit, just because, you know, patch cards are thicker. This one was pretty thick. I charge free shipping and can't ship it eBay standard envelope, obviously. It's too thick. So I left some money on the table there. I could have discounted shipping, you know, sold it for, you know, $3 shipping or something like that. I think it's $5.40 ground shipping now. So sold it for $10 on an offer. Had it listed for I think 13, and I sold it for $10. So I'll take that. But it was $5 shipping. So really before fees and everything, I made $5. So left some money on the table when I included the free shipping on that. But so lesson learned. On that. So if you have patch cards, obviously you want to charge some shipping, because eBay standard envelope is it's not going to do that. So if you're going to offer free shipping, my opinion, something you can ship out thin, unless it's a higher dollar card and you're just trying to move it. So keep it with the small singles or stuff you can fit in obviously a standard envelope. So that was a lesson learned. So, and now the one that you've all been waiting for. The Roman Anthony. Roman Anthony, I listed it for $140. Obviously, I bought it for $190 back when he was hot and the market was hot. I thought I got a good deal. which I did at the time, and listed it for 140, and I got an offer for 130. We went back and forth counter offering, and sold it for 130 before fees. I covered the shipping on that as well, free shipping. So, that was another $5 shipping. So 125 before fees. So in my original video, which go take a look at it, I talked about the pain on this one. I was in it for 190. So doing the math before, all the shipping and fees and everything, I took a $60 loss on this card, which in the grand scheme of things in sports cards, that is absolutely nothing. But I'm more lower end, so that's a pretty good hit for me. And when you factor that I covered shipping and the fees, all the fees and everything involved in that, it's not a pretty number. But here's the thing: the market cooled. I wasn't confident in it bouncing back really quick, so I made the call to move on and free up that cash for something else. Sometimes that's just the right play, even when it hurts, and I thought that was the way to go. Which brings me to the question that I want to ask you guys today. Would you have held the Roman Anthony, or would you have sold it and taken the $60 loss to move on? This is one of those debates that I think goes either way. Kind of splits the collector's views down the middle, maybe. So some of you are going to say hold, because he's going to shoot back up. He has all the talent in the world. The market's going to bounce back. Be patient. Others are going to say sell it, cut the loss, and get that capital for another card. And that's what I decided to do. But drop it in the comments, hold or sell. Tell me your reasoning, because I really want to know. I read every comment, and I genuinely want to hear what you think about situations like this. So before we get out of here, I want to show you the other cards that did not sell that I still have listed. So if you want one, go and grab it on our eBay. We got the Jaden Daniels Mosaic Silver debut. Spellbound M Patrick Mahomes. Black and Green Shock Ashton Agenti. Phenom Patch Tet McMillan, which I need to probably change shipping on that. The Patrick Mahomes Red, White, and Blue. Cade Cunningham, basketball season's about over, going into the finals. Cade Cunningham had a great year. Basketball parallel right there. Cooper Flagg, 8-Bit Ballers. Drake May coming up on football season. Grab Drake May now. He's got AJ Green to throw to now. Just traded today. Jackson Dart, OBJ coming back to the Giants. What do you think about that? Green Absolute. And CD, ready to rookie from Optic. Got him for sale as well there. So still got 9 cards for sale. So go grab them on our eBay. And that's going to wrap it up for today. But I appreciate you all tuning in and appreciate the love on the last video. Even when the results aren't perfect, I'm always going to be straight with you guys. And that's just how I want to do it on this channel. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, hit the bell, do all the good things. We talk cards. We break down the hobby from a low-end sports card perspective. And we keep it real, whether it goes good or not. And this is one of those times where it did not. Hopefully on the next one it will go well. So I will catch you on the next one. So see you then. Peace.